Come test drive 2021
Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.